Hey guys, it's Shaheena. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys this easy prom slash ball makeup look. I know ball is just around the corner. Some of you have already had your ball and some of you are going to. So today I did an eyeshadow look that is glittery and colorful, and it's kind of like out of nowhere. So it's a cut crease look, and I hope you guys like this video. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in it, because I really want to see how yours turn out to be. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes, obviously, because it's an eye makeup look. Anyway, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer stick and prime my eyes. I'm pretty sure you guys know that. So I'm gonna take the Morphe 5302 palette, and I'm gonna mix those two colors up, and I'm gonna basically paint my entire eyelid that color until I'm satisfied with the red that I get. But here I changed my eyeshadow brush because that brush was not working. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend my crease out, because obviously we don't want harsh crease lines. Then I decided to just take my eyeshadow blending brush and just dip it with the color. Totally weird. Then I'm gonna use eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, a makeup wipe, and wipe all the fallouts. So I'm gonna take the Super Stay 24-hour concealer from Maybelline. This thing works, girl. And I'm gonna cut my crease. The only reason I use this concealer is because this dries out really fast, so you need to work with it really fast. That's the only reason I use it as an eyeshadow concealer crease cutter. Yeah, anyway, after I'm done with cutting the crease, I go back with the crease color, the red shade from Morphe palette, and I'm gonna blend that on and add more until I'm satisfied. I'm gonna take the Stila glitter eyeshadow in the shade Kitty Calmer, and I'm basically gonna put this where I cut my crease, because I kind of realized that cutting your crease and then putting eyeshadow on that you want really helps you intensify the color way better than not using concealer on your eyelid or cutting a crease. It's just my preference. Then I'm gonna go back with the eyeshadow crease color. See, I'm having trouble here. I know I actually did not show the camera what I was doing, because I kind of thought it was showing but it wasn't. Anyway, okay, so now that I'm done with my eye, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I came back to do my mascara. This is from L'Oreal. Honestly, I love this mascara to death, because just one coat of this intensifies my mascara, I mean my eyelashes. And yeah, so we're done with the look. Okay, so now that we've reached the end of the video, I hope you guys really like this video. Don't forget, you can always change up the glitter, the color. It doesn't have to be red. It can be blue, green, yellow, anything that your dress is or anything that you want to create. So I hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.